In order to set up the driving mode on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, first we need to go to settings. In the settings, we need to simply choose modes and routines, and then you should be able to find the driving mode over here. And in my case, it is not set yet, so let's stop over here. And now we can press start. Here we can choose when the driving mode should be automatically enabled. So you can choose by using Android Auto, so if you connect to Android Auto, or through the Bluetooth device, if you connect to a specific Bluetooth device, then the driving mode can be automatically enabled. You can also skip this option if you want to turn it on manually. Then let's press next. We can also choose to enable, for example, the Do Not Disturb mode when using this driving mode. And also we can choose what to do in driving mode, so we can open an app or do an app actions. For example, we can open Google Maps. As an example, we have read notifications allowed, and we can also use Bixby Voice Wake Up. And that is essentially it. So now in my case, the driving mode will be enabled automatically by using Android Auto, but I can also manually enable and disable this driving mode by tapping on this button here. And you can also go to quick settings in order to find modes here under the bottom, where we can also choose driving. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!